Savalas, I want to bring you in on this. The father, it is very complex, but there is a child who committed suicide at age 12. There are 2 surviving children. And the father of one of those children, who is not the father of this most recent poor victim who was strangled, wanted that child out of that house so badly he fought for custody and he won it. And these are the accusations that he made against Amy Robertson. That the son is reporting physical abuse from Amy Robertson on numerous occasions, that there's an open investigation to Amy Robertson, making his son drop off packages to state inmates who were on a work crew, and that she has met a state prisoner. She would meet the work van at various locations and have sex with this gentleman while her son, our son, was present. The father got custody of that child, and not long after, the 3rd child, this little boy, Caden, was murdered. How is it that you can make these accusations and that it can be serious enough for you to get custody of your boy, but another boy is left behind in that household?
There are a couple of reasons why. When it comes, and I used to handle these kinds of cases in family court. You know, family court often sees a lot of parents who make accusations and use the family court to hash out their differences. And the sad result of that is that when there's a real allegation with real teeth behind it that should be looked at by the courts, by that time the courts are so used to these cases, they're jaded and they just sort of let them slip by. And you get a case like this is where it's absolutely the most tragic when the most serious cases sneak by because of all the other cases that are going on.
Obviously, I am so curious about this child who committed suicide, and I have no idea what the answer to this is, but would they look right away to start exhuming that body to see if there's something else?
Well, I think the prosecutor should be taking steps at this point. There is no question. We know she killed the one son. We know she abused the one who survived. Wouldn't the first thing the government should be thinking about at this point in time, the prosecutors, is to exhume the child? Let's see if this was really a case of suicide or was this murder?
And I want to be really careful here, because right now Amy Robertson is charged with those charges that I put up before, but she's got to be adjudicated. She's got to go through her rightful process, her due process. It is a very complex story, and there are 2 dead children in this family and one who was wrenched away from her by his father. I think we are yet to hear all of the details in this case. She is best known